All right, Jean Robert's snoring goes something like this. Jean Robert, we all know, he's like the D student of our tribe. He won't do anything. He gets up and then instantly has to go lay down because he's so tired.
Oh man, I'm about to pass out.